Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. Just having a great morning this morning. It's beautiful out, a little bit of a breeze behind us, and I just wanted to start our tour this morning on another Saturday Home Showcase here at the Oak Creek Home Center at 1210 North Clack in Abilene, Texas. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Oatman. It's a large 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, and we'll kind of get right to it. I do want to show you we've got a lot of new homes have come in recently, and would love to show you guys what they look like. We've got single section, everything from 1 bedroom up to a 3-bedroom, and then also a lot of different multi-section homes, anywhere from 3-bedroom up to 5-bedroom. This is the exterior of the Oatman. That sun is about to hit us right in a moment, but this is a really pretty home, a little over 2,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and wait till you see the inside, because this thing is absolutely gorgeous. Features a real open floor plan that I'd love to kind of show to you, and I'll point out some of the features inside. So when you come into the home, one of the first things that you see is this really pretty feature wall with the fireplace on it. This is a wood-burning fireplace done with a shiplap accent on both sides, and look how nice and open this home presents. Just a gorgeous layout. We've got no carpet anywhere in the home in here. We've done the wood plank linoleum flooring all the way through, so it's really easy to care for. Again, here in that front living room, there's another shot of that really pretty fireplace installation. That's an option. You can also put in a entertainment center in that spot if you wish. That adjoins a really nice sized dining area. Here in the dining area, you've got plenty of room for a large table, and they also have a little coffee bar that they've added over here to the side that has its own sink. Beautiful setup. I love the cabinetry in here. These are called moonlight cabinets. They're kind of an off-white, maybe an eggshell white cabinet with the overhead cubbies. Lots of storage in this home. And then this has got a really large jumbo island. You'll see there in the end of the island, they've got the outlets available. I'm going to show you a quick look at the floor plan. So this is the layout of the Oatman. You can see it's 4 bedrooms. Oop, I got it upside down. Let me turn it around. So we're standing about right here right now. But you've got 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, really open floor plan. One of the things I really like, if you like natural light, this home has a set of the farmhouse windows above the sink. The sink is a stainless steel sink with pull-out faucet. These 3 beautiful windows over the top, and then down the back side of the kitchen you also have this set of 4 additional windows, and that all opens up into that front living room. Now we'll kind of come back through here in a minute and show you a little bit more. I want you to see in the island, you've got a lot of cabinet space. And this is a really big island, guys. Lots of preparation space available. Here in the kitchen, you also have a pantry closet that has the built-in wired shelf, ventilated shelving, so you can see what you have on your shelves. Gives you additional storage, but this is just a really pretty kitchen setup in here. You get to choose your countertop colors, the backsplashes. I like the wainscot accent that goes down that back side, and again that really big feature island is super nice. Now right off of the kitchen is one of the largest mudrooms. It's a really big mudroom. Walk in here, that's where your back door is located. Washer and dryer set up here straight ahead. And then you've got spot for either an upright or a chest freezer. right here. And in this bathroom, they've done additional storage with linen cabinets flanking where the washer and dryer goes. Really good setup, really large mudroom. Like the transom window overhead that brings in some more natural light. Also in the laundry room, you have a secondary coat closet. You know, if you use your back door like we do, where everybody comes in the back door, it's nice to have a coat closet in here, so you can keep the house straight and clean. Kind of go through here. A couple of the other features that are nice, excuse me, is that you've got overhead vents, so all of your flooring is available. You don't have to try and miss the heating and cooling vents. Everything is overhead here. We've got the LED lights in the home. They're a high efficiency light. Wired and braced for ceiling fan in the dining area, as well as over here in the living room area. Now this living room, again, accommodates a lot of furniture, really, really nice. You could put a big sectional sofa in here if you want to. But I just really like the look of how everything is. We're going to walk back here into the kids area or the guest bedrooms. These are large bedrooms. Again, you'll notice there's no carpet in the home. These bedrooms are all really good sized bedrooms. Again, with the vents in the ceiling and the LED lights overhead. When it opens up in the hallway, this thing just really is cool because it's got a study desk back here that has the overhead cabinets as well. Quick look at the other guest bedrooms or the kids' rooms. These are all really good sized bedrooms. And there you can see the overhead vents again. And then the third bedroom, really, really nice. And I got to show you this. This is crazy cool. This thing has an enormous closet back here in this guest bedroom. Really, really nice for extra storage. And then the kids' bathroom, the way they designed this is it almost functions like a third bath, because you've got the vanity with the china sinks, plenty of storage, the drawer bank, and the linen cabinet here in the guest bathroom. But then you've also got a separate area in that bathroom where the tub and the commode is located. So if one of the kiddos needs to close the door, be taking a shower, it doesn't close off the use of that bathroom. It still keeps it available for the rest of the folks in the household. I think that was just a really good idea. We're going to come back into the master bedroom. Just one more look at this front room before I walk back in there. Look how much light those windows bring in. Just a lot of light. Amazing, amazing kind of setup. Master bedroom is also done with a very large master bedroom. Easily accommodate a king size bed and extra furniture pieces. Already wired and braced for the ceiling fan. And then the master bathroom. Boy, is it nice. So it comes back in here with a dual vanity setup in the master bathroom. I'll flip some lights on for you. Great big mirror. That mirror is trimmed, already mounted from the factory. You've got extra linen storage. And then it's got a really cool feature tub. It's a 72-inch soaker tub that's got the shiplap wall and the transom window overhead. Right next to that is a large, oversized 60-inch shower that already has the bench seats put into it. The shower head height is at a good shower head height. You've got a privacy wall right here next to the commode, so that keeps that nice and private, but it doesn't make you feel blocked in. And then it's a really nice, very generous master closet with the shelves overhead. Come all the way around, and it has another transom window in here as well. So it's just a really great layout. We'd love to show it to you in person. This home is on sale. The one that we're touring this morning is available for purchase and delivery right off of the lot. We'd be happy to chat with you. We are located at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene. The phone number is 325-480-0035. And again, my name's Bill Wilkins, and this is the Oatman. I'd be very happy to get you information about this home. As I mentioned earlier, we have everything from 1 bedroom up to 5 bedroom homes available. And man, we've got some nice product, a really wide range of price points, some excellent construction and quality. We're ready to make some deals and deliver some homes. So if you can, come out today. We are open all day today, Saturday. We're open on Monday through Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Would love to have you guys come out or give us a call, set us an appointment. We'll be happy to send you floor plans, whatever information we can provide to you. Thanks so much for watching this morning. I appreciate you taking the time. If you have questions, just make a comment on the video and I will get back to you and provide you whatever information that you need. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home at Oak Creek. We'll see you soon. This is Bill Wilkins signing out. Thank you.